Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are well. So today I'm going to be doing something what has been going around the internet recently. I saw this on Facebook a good couple of weeks ago and I thought, you know what, I really want to try that. I've only seen a few YouTubers do it, so I just thought, you know what, I want to give it a go because I want to see if it actually works, and you know, I just thought I'd give it a go. This new trend is changing eyelashes into more fluttery eyelashes. So these ones that I've got on at the moment are the either wispies or demi-wispies, either one, love them both. So yeah, it's changing these type of eyelashes, especially these ones, into more wispy, luxurious eyelashes. So if you want to carry on watching of how I turn these, hopefully into these luxurious lashes, then keep on watching. So we are on my table at the moment. Sorry if I haven't got anything a bit more glamorous. These ones first, these are literally, they're both from Primark, £1. Sorry about my nail varnish as well, need to take it off, but I really want to try these. These are just the Dramatic. All I've seen on the video is to get a spoolie, so you can get any spoolie you want. This is actually from Skinny Brow Pencil from Primark. I didn't realise it actually got a spoolie with it, and this is a very clean one, so I just thought I may as well. So I'm so nervous for this. All I've seen on the video is they sort of like do this little motion. So let's try and zoom you in. Look how awful my fingers look. So already we're seeing the effects of like a wispy, because truthfully I wouldn't ever really wear something as dramatic like this. I used to when I was like 18. That I can spend £1 and I know that I can do this and make them a little bit more luxurious and a little bit more wispy, then I 100% will. So this side they're a little bit more flipped up, as this it's just more straight and more dynamic. Yeah, they come up a little tiny bit. They look really nice. Looking forward to the most is already the sultry ones, which are quite wispy. Yeah, these are £1. So let's give these a go. As you can already see, they are already like quite wispy. I'm going to try and make these look a little bit more wispier. I have tried these before and they just didn't look great, truthfully. So if I try and just make them look a little bit tiny bit more natural, I'm going to give it a go. Because as you can see, closer to where the lash line will be, it's just, I just don't really like it. But already I'm seeing a difference. Wow. I've just been going through the sultry ones, which are these ones. I can't believe these were £1. Look at the difference. Can you tell which ones? I've just tweaked a little bit and look how incredible. Let me just get the back of this to try. How incredible is that? I can't even like look. Just look at this. Yes, fair enough, you can wear the lashes just like this if you wanted to. But I feel like with just something as simple as this to use for your eyebrows and eyelashes, you're just giving them that extra little va-va-voom, I'll say. They come closer together, they're not spread out, they don't look as placed in, which you can go for that look if you want to, but it's just not for me. I like my Ardell's like wispies and my yellow ones. I just love the wispy look, and the fact that something this tiny can do this is just, I'm living for this right now. This is incredible. I just want to wear these like right now. I love them so much. Like I just want to try and keep getting this bit done, but I don't think I can because it's just the way it's been placed onto the band, but look how incredible they look. Then going in with the dramatic ones, which side is normal and which side have I? Yes, it's this side. They're not as harsh as the dramatic ones. Dramatic are very, very, obviously the dramatic is in the name. I don't mind this look, but it's something I used to wear when I was like 16 to 18 years old, when I was just like, oh, I need lashes to go out. But this, like, again, let's try and see the difference. They're a little bit more fluffier on the tips of the lashes compared to these ones. I just think these look, I love them. I absolutely love them. Quite dramatic, but it's got that more of a flutter. It doesn't look like you are wearing a lash, which is what I want. You know, I like the lash look where it's like, oh, is she wearing lashes? Is she not wearing lashes? But yeah, oh my god, I think whoever made this, I'm living for it right now. Whoever came up with this idea, oh my god. So there we have it, me trying out the whole lash craze, what's been going on. Does it work? Does it not work? Oh my god, of course it works. I am shook at how incredible this little device, you know, this is literally on a back end of a eyebrow pencil. These look more insane. I feel like they look more defined now. I can't believe it. Literally something what looks like this can go between 5 to 30 to even 40 to even 50s. Obviously they're going into like real hair, but something you can go and get from Primark, which is killing, you know, they're killing the makeup game right now, for £1 and turn it into something what looks a little bit more expensive, you know, especially with like this one. Yeah, great, they're £1, brilliant, something you can stick on, but why don't we make them look a little bit more luxurious? And something this small, something you can get for like £1, even at Primark, £2 or whatever. Just doing that, wiggling it out, making it how you want is just incredible. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's something a little bit different. I just wanted to try it, show you guys, does it work, does it not work, and clearly it works. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, it would mean so much to me, you won't even understand. And yeah, go hit the thumbs up button, again that would mean a lot to me. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. I love you lots. Bye.